Trader Zoman here, August 28, 2018. It's after the market closed. I'm going to provide another update on BIOAQ. Today, if you follow me on Twitter, called a boom. I believe it was going to explode today, BioAmber, at I believe 0.016. I'm not sure the exact numbers. Double check on my Twitter feed. It shot up to around 0.027 or so, 0.0269. I traded over 100% for the day, closed up about 95% for the day. I day traded it. I'm not a big fan of holding this particular position overnight just because it's going to courts. We really don't know if they're liquidating or if they're being bought out with certain products that are being sold to some people, whatever the case may be. There's still, we still don't know, right? So I don't like to hold this position overnight, but I did trade it, and I got out at 2.4. I tried to get back in at 1.8. It went as low as 2, then shot back up to around 2.5 and change. I couldn't get it, but it wasn't worth it for me because there was more risk than reward there. If I got into the 1.8, I probably would have got out at 2.4 again, most likely, maybe even 2.35. But what remains is it exploded today. Traders had an eye on it. I thought it was going to happen Friday, Monday the latest, but it happened today. As soon as I saw it, I made a call on Twitter and it exploded then thereafter. Is she going higher tomorrow? Well, it really depends on the news, right? And from my understanding, usually when a stock makes a move of such a move of this one, when they're filing, they file for Chapter 11, and then they say they're not going bankruptcy, they have a buyer, this, that, etc. When a stock moves, I think somebody was actually in the courts and watched it happen. If the courts were held private, it's just, I think some information got out. So it could be positive, but for tomorrow and head higher. Right now, the resistance level, let me just back up a little bit. It's on the 30-minute right now. Let's see what we have here. So right now, the resistance level is pretty much right here at this gap we see, right? This is the first resistance level. That's where it's at. If she breaks through tomorrow, if she breaks through this gap, meaning if she closes above here at this support level at roughly 3 cents, there's a resistance level, it'll chase and we'll try to hunt down about 6-7 cents. Okay, this is a little too early. It's predetermined. Obviously, there's a lot of news that's supposed to be released about this. So a lot of people believe sometime tomorrow. So this play can be based on what the news is tomorrow or when it does happen. So sit tight. I don't recommend holding this overnight. This is just my honest opinion. When I see something dangerous to this, but I can see I can make money, I'll trade it throughout the day, but I wouldn't want to hold it overnight. Once again, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. You can also visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, if you want to take live trading education courses with myself and learn the trading language.